Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan oatmeal. To begin, select rolled oats for the best creamy texture and quick cooking time. You will need about 1/2 cup of oats per serving. For the liquid, use 1 cup of your favorite plant-based milk, such as almond, soy, or oat milk, to add richness. Don't forget a small pinch of salt. It truly enhances all the delicious flavors. Now let's cook those oats. For a stovetop method, combine 1/2 cup of oats with 1 cup of plant milk in a small pot. Bring to a gentle simmer and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until thickened. If you are short on time, microwave for 1 to 2 minutes, stirring halfway through. Remember, a 2-to-1 liquid-to-oat ratio is a great starting point. Time to make your oatmeal truly delicious. Sweeten it naturally with 1 to 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, agave nectar, or a sprinkle of brown sugar. For a burst of freshness, incorporate fruits like fresh berries, sliced bananas, or diced apples. Boost the nutritional value and texture by adding a tablespoon of nuts, seeds, or a dollop of your favorite nut butter for extra protein and healthy fats. Here are some pro tips for perfect vegan oatmeal every time. For an even quicker morning meal, try soaking your oats overnight in plant milk. They will cook in just 1 minute. Stir your oatmeal frequently while cooking to prevent it from sticking to the bottom of the pot and to ensure even consistency. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment with warming spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, or a dash of vanilla extract for extra flavor.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.